In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Google photo in YouTube without copyright. Navigating the world of image rights can seem daunting, but don't worry, I've got you covered with some clear steps to ensure you stay on the right side of copyright law. First, let's start with the safest option, using your own photos. Photos you took yourself are generally risk-free because you own the rights to them. This means you have full control over how and where you use them. By relying on your own images, you avoid any potential legal complications. Plus, it adds a personal touch to your content that viewers appreciate. Now, if your own photos aren't an option, another great avenue is to use images with a license that allows reuse. You can find these by searching for images with Creative Commons or similar licenses. These licenses are designed to let others use the work under specific conditions. However, it's crucial to verify the license on the source website and not just in Google Images. This is important because it ensures that the license information is accurate and up to date. Missteps here can lead to unwanted issues later on. Next up, if you find an image you love, consider getting permission from the copyright owner. This means reaching out directly to the photographer or website owner to obtain permission. It might seem like a hassle, but often creators are more than willing to grant permission, especially when you explain how you plan to use their work. This step is essential for peace of mind, knowing you've done your due diligence. Another option is to use public domain images. Public domain works are generally free to use, though you should always confirm their status. Public domain means the copyright has expired or the creator has intentionally waived their rights. However, always double-check, as an image's status can sometimes be misrepresented. Using public domain images can be a great way to access high-quality content without legal concerns. With that ready, always remember to follow the license terms. Some licenses require attribution, which means giving credit to the creator. This might involve including their name or a link to their work in your video description. It's a simple step, but it honors the creator's work and respects the license's conditions. Ignoring these terms can lead to issues, so it's best to comply fully. At this point, let's talk about what not to do. Don't assume that simply adding credit makes using copyrighted images legal. It's a common misconception and can lead to trouble. Also, don't assume that because an image appears in Google Images, Google owns it or that it is free to use. Google is merely a search engine, not a permissions broker. Lastly, don't think using an image for only a few seconds means you're safe from copyright issues. Copyright can still apply, regardless of how briefly an image is shown. For safe image sources on YouTube, consider platforms like Wikimedia Commons, Unsplash, Pexels, and Pixabay. These sites often provide images that can be used under specified license terms. However, you should still review each image's license carefully before using it. This practice ensures you're always in compliance with the terms and conditions. Remember, a simple rule to follow is, if you didn't create the photo, make sure you have a license, permission, or a valid legal basis before uploading it to YouTube. This careful approach protects you and respects the rights of image creators. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating!